Hello, this is Mike Earn. You're welcome if this is your first time. So in this video, I'll be doing the weekly Forex market update, and I'll be looking at the EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDCHF, and the USDJPY currency pairs in this video. So now, before we get started, I'd like to let you know that I give free signals. I give free signals on the Mike Earn channel. If you'd like to get free signals, you can join the Mike Earn channel to get free signals. The link to the Mike Earn channel is in the description below. Go to the description below this video, copy the link to the Mike Earn channel, paste it in your browser, and visit the site, and it will take you to the Mike Earn channel on Telegram. Yes, it's a Telegram channel. So if you do not have Telegram, you have to download Telegram to be part of this channel. And yeah, what do we talk about there? What do we do there? I give free signals there, and I might also share other things there, but just for the free signals now, I'm just I'm doing this for the free signal. So I'm letting you know this right now for the free signal, so you can go to the Mike Earn channel, go to the link below the description, copy the link to the Mike Earn channel, paste it in your browser, and join the channel. It's a free channel, so you can join the channel on Telegram. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, visit the site. It will take you to the Mike Earn channel on Telegram. Join the channel, and yeah, expect the free signals. One thing you can take to the bank is that the signals that I give are highly profitable, very, very profitable trading signals. So you do not want to miss out on any of them at all. So please and please don't forget that. Join the channel and expect the signals. Right. Another thing I want to let you know is this: the Forex account management service that I offer. I offer Forex account management service. If you would like to be part of this, if you would like me to manage a Forex trading account, or if you like me to manage a Forex account, you can reach out to me. And my contact is in the description below. It's my Telegram contact. Go to the description below, copy the link to my Telegram DM, paste it in your browser, visit the site, and it will bring you to my DM on Telegram, and you can chat me up and let me know that you are interested in my Forex account management service, and we can talk about it, and I'll let you know everything that you need to know. Yeah, one thing is what you should know is this: if between 5 to 15% profit monthly sounds like a good deal to you, then you can have that. We can talk about it, and we can talk about how we can get started. Of course, I can make more than that. I can make more than 15% profit monthly, but if between 5 to 15% profit monthly sounds good to you, then I'm the guy you should be talking to. The link to my Telegram DM is in the description below. Go to the description below, copy the link to my DM on Telegram, paste it in your browser, visit the site, and it will bring you to my DM on Telegram, and you can chat me up and let's talk about everything that we need to talk about, or that we should talk about. And one thing you can also be sure of is that I'm going to make sure that I give it my very best. I'm going to make sure that I'm going to make sure I make profit for you, because I only get commissions. I only get my own commissions when I make money for you, so you need to know that. So yes, that is it. Let's get into the business of the day. So we're starting with the Euro USD currency pair. So what's up with Euro USD? Well, this is what it looks like on the daily. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame and see. This is what it looks like. Okay, now let's see the monthly. On the monthly, you can tell it's been pushing higher, so it looks bullish to me. It looks bullish to me right now. So okay, let me look at this. Probably this might be something to look out for. A diagonal resistance there. Probably. It's a possibility. So that might be something we should look out for, but it's closely approaching that zone, so that's why I placed that there. So now let's go down to the weekly time frame and see. We see on the weekly, what do we see here? Well, there's a lot of price action here, but there's no clear direction right now. Is it going to drop? Is it going to continue higher? We can't really say for now, so we just have to keep our fingers crossed. We can also draw another diagonal. We can draw another trend line here. Or maybe we should use the equidistant channel to see if it's going to be a channel-like situation for you. So if we do this, if we do it this way, then we will have this, or we can have this. Yeah, okay, beautiful. So you see that, let me make it bolder. So you see that, so there's a possibility that, might play out, but we keep our fingers crossed. We keep our fingers crossed. So what if it drops from here? Who knows? That's a possibility. That's a possibility, but we keep our fingers crossed and see. And we keep watching, right? We keep watching. So now let's go down to the daily time frame. Now don't forget this, the daily time frame is our execution time frame. Daily time frame is the execution time frame, except I say otherwise, in this analysis that I do. Except I say otherwise, the daily time frame is the execution time frame. So now let's make this channel disappear on the daily. Let's just keep it on the weekly. Yeah, so now so I'll be looking out for this zone right here. If price comes into the zone above at this area, if price comes into the zone at the 1.20033 zone and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. That's what I'll suggest. I'll suggest you go for a sell in that kind of scenario. Right, I'll suggest you go for a sell, but I'll suggest that you go for a one-to-one sell. And the reason is simple. This market looks very bullish right now. Now, I am aware I drew a diagonal support or a trend line, but you still have to be very conscious of the trend. The trend is looking a lot bullish, so we cannot ignore the trend or what the trend is saying because of a line on the chart. Yes, the line is important, but we have to also be careful and conscious of the trend as well. So yeah, so if price comes into that zone, if price comes into this zone, oh boy, where is it? If price comes into this 1.20033 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then you can go for a sell, you can go for a one-to-one sell. So if that's something that you like to take, you can take note of that, right? You can take note of that. So now for another scenario, if price comes from where it currently is at right now and does a drop to if price drops to probably probably if price drops to this zone, which is the 1.10948 zone, and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, right? I'll suggest that you go for a buy. You can go for a one-to-one buy, or you can go for a 1-to-2 RR buy, or you can go for a 1-to-3 RR buy. So you can either go for a 1-to-1 RR buy, you can go for a 1-to-2 RR buy, 1-to-3 RR buy, or hold to the next zone or till another significant zone, whichever one you want, or you can hold indefinitely. you know, probably you might catch the next leg of this bullish trend. It's a possibility. So, and if you're going for more than a 1-to-1 RR buy, if you're going for a more than 1-to-1 RR buy, that's risk reward. I would suggest that you go for I'll suggest that you do I suggest that you move your stop loss, or that you trail your stop losses or stop loss if you're going for more than a 1-to-1 RR buy. So in case the market reverses, you either don't lose too much, or you don't lose the potential profits that you could have made. You don't lose all the potential profits that you could have made. So I hope you understand that. So that's for Euro USD. Don't forget that if any of these scenarios do not meet your own personal trading confirmation, please do not take them. Please and please do not take them. I will not be responsible for your losses. That's something you need to be very aware of. I will not be responsible for your losses. So let's move on to the next one, which is the GBPUSD currency pair. So now, this is the daily. Let's look at the weekly. It seems to be on its way up. Let's look at the monthly. Also seems to be on its way up. So what exactly are we to expect from this? What exactly are we to expect from this currency pair? Let's go down to the daily time frame and look for and look at some decisions we can be making with this one. So now, if price comes into the zone, which is the 1.37472 zone, and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. Right, I'll suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 RR sell and end it there, because this market looks like it's on its way up. So if you're selling in a market that looks like it's on its way up, you do not want to overstay your welcome. So now, if price pushes high and comes into the zone and gives us a 1-to-1 RR sell, if price comes into the zone, gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then you can go for a 1-to-1 RR sell. Now, don't forget that it has to be an extended move, please. It has to be an extended move, not that the market is, just, let's say, if the market just keeps moving sideways and doing its thing sideways and gradually coming up, that is not a valid one. But if price moves, something like this, like what happened over here, right? Like something like what happened here. If price moves like that into the zone, gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then we can go for a 1-to-1 RR sell. Now, it doesn't have to be precisely like this, but just something significant, a move that's significant, a move that's, I think maybe something like this also works. Something like this also works as well. So a move that just pushes high, you can tell is an extended move. You can tell the buyers did their job, right? So that's what I would expect to look out for, right? So another scenario, if price pushes down, if price comes down and comes into this 1.24344 zone and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy. I'll suggest you go for a buy, and I'll suggest that you go for just a 1-to-1 buy. My reason is simple. Even though this market looks like it's on its way up, if price can come this low, that you probably want to be careful buying the markets, right? So if price comes into this 1.24344 zone and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy, and that you go for a 1-to-1 RR buy. That's 1-to-1 risk reward buy. So I'll end it there. So that would be my prediction, my analysis and prediction for the GBPUSD currency pair. Don't forget that you should not take any of these scenarios if they do not meet your own trading confirmation. So now let's move on to USDCHF. So now USDCHF on its way down, looks like it's on its way down. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Same story. Let's take a look at the monthly time frame. Same idea over here as well. So now what should we expect? Let's go down to the daily time frame to look out for our entries, or what we should be expecting. So if price gives us this very significant Okay, if price gives us an extended move here to this zone, if price gives us an extended move to for instance this 0.84018 zone, and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, right, I'll suggest that you go for a sell, and that you can go for a one-to-one sell, or you can hold till it comes into another zone like this one right here, this 0.82432. Ignoring this one because it's too close. That's why I'm not looking at that one. Or you can go for a 1 to 2 RR, 1 to 3 RR, or hold indefinitely, because you might catch the next leg of the market. That's a possibility as well. You might catch the next leg of the market. So that is what I would, be looking out for in that scenario. If USDCHF comes to that area. Now, do not take okay, what I want to say is this. If price comes, if you are doing more than a one-to-one RR sell, I suggest that you just go for, I suggest that you throw your stop losses when, I suggest that you throw your stop losses if you're going for more than a one-to-one RR sell. I hope you understand that. Throw your stop losses if you're going for more than a one-to-one RR sell. Right? It's just that so that you do not miss out on the potential profits that you could have already made, or that you could have made, or that so that you don't miss out on too much of the potential profits you could have made, and so also that you don't lose too much as well. So I hope you get that. So now for another scenario, we have to zoom out, but I don't think we can zoom out enough on the daily. We're looking to look at the support. So we have to go to the weekly time frame to see this line down here. Now don't forget that the daily time frame is the execution time frame. So we are only going to the weekly time frame to look at this, so that this zone can be obvious. I hope you get that. So now if price comes this low, and comes into the 0.77155 zone, and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy, right? I'll suggest that you go for a buy, and I'll suggest that you do not go for more than a one-to-one RR buy, because this market is very bearish. As you can see how the market broke out of the zone. It tested it and it's continuing downwards. So it's very bearish, so you do not want to go for more than a one-to-one risk-reward buy, right? Let it hit, take profit, and end it there. So that would be my suggestion for that scenario. So that is that for the USDCHF currency pair. If you take any of these scenarios I just spoke about, make sure it meets your confirmation. Don't forget that I will not be responsible for your own trading choices or your trading losses. So make sure it meets your personal trading confirmation before you take any of these scenarios I just spoke about. So thank you. Let's move on to the next one, the USDJPY currency pair. So now USDJPY, what should we expect? This is the daily. Let's zoom out to the weekly. Now let's look at the monthly. Okay, on the weekly we have this pin bar, but the market seems to be ranging around this area. Hasn't given us anything significant. The pin bar hasn't really shown. If the pin bar has not, played out the way you would expect, the pin bar has not played out the way you expect if the bears were in charge. So now let's take a look at the monthly time frame. We can tell from the monthly time frame that the market is very bullish. It's a very bullish market, but it's been bullish for some time, but we haven't seen higher highs in a while. We've not seen anything break above this. I think that's July 2004? Yeah, I think it's July. Yeah, that's July 2004. 2024 rather. July 2024. We haven't seen You know, we haven't seen the market break above that zone for some time, but it's still very much bullish, but according to what the chart looks like. So now, what should we expect from this one? Now, if price pushes higher, and comes into the zone, this 158.823 zone, and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell, right? I'll suggest that you go for a one-to-one sell. And the reason I'm saying one-to-one RR sell is that it's a market that's quite bullish, looks very bullish. So you do not want to overstay your welcome. So just go, if price comes into this 158.823 zone after a significant extended move to that zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a one-to-one RR sell and leave it there. I hope you understand that. Just go for a one-to-one RR sell and let it end there. RR means risk reward. Yeah, so for those who didn't get that, RR means risk reward. Now, if we have another extended move to this side, in another scenario, if we see price move and it gives us an extended move, like after several days of price action, actually, after several days of price action, not just one candle, but after several days of price action, maybe like 6 to 8, or maybe like 6 to 8 days of price action. If price comes into this zone, which is the 140.315 zone, and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy. Right? If it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy. And you can go for a one-to-one RR buy. Now make sure it actually comes in contact with this line, even though it's the zone that's very significant. It's also important that that price comes in contact with that zone, right? That's how I look at the market. I would like to see price not just come close to my zone, but actually come in contact with my zone. So if price comes in contact with that, it comes into the zone, comes in contact with this line, this 140.315 zone, and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy. You can go for a one-to-one RR buy. You can go for a 1-to-2 RR buy. You can go for a 1-to-3 RR buy, 1-to-4, 1-to-5 RR buy, or you can hold till it comes into this 151.781 zone, right? But what I would suggest is that if you are doing more than a one-to-one RR buy, you throw your stop losses the moment price crosses one-to-one RR buy, right? So that you do not lose too much, or so that you do not miss out on the potential profits that you could have made. I hope you understand that. So it's very important that you know that. Very, very important. You can also hold indefinitely. I hope you get that. So you might catch the next leg of the market. So that's also a possibility as well. So that is it for the USDJPY currency pair. And that's that for the EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDCHF, and USDJPY currency pairs update and analysis for this week. Now, before I go, I'd like to remind you that I give free Forex signals on the Mike Earn channel. I give free Forex signals on the Mike Earn channel. If you would like to get free Forex signals from me, you can go to the description below this video, copy the link to the Mike Earn channel, paste it in your browser and visit the site, and it will take you to the Mike Earn Telegram channel. Yes, it will take you to the Mike Earn channel on Telegram, and you can join the channel and expect Forex signals. Expect free Forex signals from me. One thing is for sure, I post really massively profitable Forex signals, so you don't want to miss out on that. And one thing you should also know is that there are a lot of many more massively profitable Forex signals that I'll be posting. I'll be posting a lot back to back. I hope you get that. I'll be posting a lot back to back. So you want to join the channel now so that you can get those signals when they show up. I'll be posting a lot of signals that will be massively profitable back to back on the Mike Earn Telegram channel. So you do not want to miss out on that. Join the channel and expect the trading signals. I hope you get that. So it's very important that you do so. It's going to help your trading. It's going to help you make a lot of money. It's going to help you make a lot of money. So please don't miss out on this. This is an opportunity for you to make a lot of money. This is an opportunity for you to change your life. Yes, change your life for free without any charges. So go ahead and join the Mike Earn Telegram channel. Go to the description below this video. Copy the link to the Mike Earn Telegram channel. Paste it in your browser. Visit the site. It will take you to the Mike Earn channel it will take you to the Mike Earn free Telegram channel on Telegram, right? So you can join the channel and expect forex signals, expect the signals that I'll be posting. You can be so sure that these signals will help you make a lot of money. You can take that to the bank. It's not it's just what it is. You can take that to the bank. So don't miss out on this, please. Don't look at it don't look away from it because it's free. Yes, it's free, but it's going to change your life if you actually join the signals, right? For those who are still struggling to make money in the forex market, this is the opportunity to make a lot of money in the forex market. This is your opportunity. So join the channel, join the Mike and Telegram channel now. Right, join the Mike and Telegram channel to make a lot of money. Please do not miss out on this. And also, I offer account management service as well. If you like to engage my account management service, you can reach out to me on my Telegram DM. My direct Telegram DM is in the description below this video. So go to the description below this video and copy the link to my DM on Telegram, paste it in your browser, and visit the site. It will bring you to my DM on Telegram, and you can chat me up and let me know that you want to engage my account management service, and we can talk about everything we need to talk about. I'll let you know everything you need to know, and we can get started as soon as possible. So one thing is for sure, I'm going to give it my best. I'm going to give this my very best, because I only get commissions when I make you money. I hope you understand that. I only get commissions when I make you money. So I'm going to give this my very best and ensure that I manage your account well. Now, if between 5 to 15% profit monthly sounds like a good idea to you, if it sounds good to you, then I'm the guy you should be talking to. My DM on Telegram, the link to my DM on Telegram is in the description below. Go to the description below, copy the link to my DM on Telegram, paste it in your browser, and visit the site, and it will bring you to my DM on Telegram. You can let me know that you want to engage my Forex account management service, and we will have that conversation, and I'll let you know everything that you need to know. I hope you get that. Yes, I'll let you know everything that you need to know. So that is it. Yeah, that is what you need to know. That's all you need to know. Now, of course, I can also make more than 15% profit monthly, but if between 5 to 15% profit monthly sounds good to you, then let's talk. Let's talk. Reach out to me on Telegram. My DM on Telegram is open. The link to my DM on Telegram is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, visit the site, and chat me up, and let's have that conversation. So thank you so much for watching this video. You can go ahead and like this, subscribe, comment. You can subscribe, you can comment, you can follow. So thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Bye bye.